would you use to navigate the water park and find all the hidden gems? Swiper's map might try to swipe your way to fun. Which cool life vest would you wear for safety and style? An Optimus Prime transforming vest sounds incredible. Pick one. Which cool floaty will you drift on in the lazy river? Baymax's floaty looks so soft and comfy. Which super fun kiddie pool is perfect for the little ones? A muddy puddle splash pool sounds just like Peppa. Which underwater grotto would you dare to explore? Ursula's lair sounds a bit too creepy for me. Which magical VIP pass would give you the ultimate water park experience? A wish-granting pass? Imagine what you could do! Pick one. Which cool inner tube will you float on today? That dinosaur tube looks super comfy. Would you pick Pooh's Peaceful Float, Pikachu's Electrifying Ride, or Stitch's Mystery Surprise River? Whoa! Stitch's river turned out to be a glowing lava lamp river. Which character's bubble machine would create the most amazing bubbles? Sandy's giant dome bubble machine sounds like a blast! Which Wizarding World locker would you trust with your belongings? Endless snacks in Ron's locker? Yes, please! Which superhero's diving board would you jump off of with courage? Superman's board must be way up high! Which glow-in-the-dark slide will you brave for a night ride? Time to decide. A, B, or C? No way! E.T.'s slide made you float into the sky. Which superhero-themed whirlpool would you swirl around in? Doctor Strange's mystic whirlpool must have some wild effect. Which giant waterfall would you slide down or swim under? Mufasa's waterfall must be truly grand! Which water-powered jetpack would you pick for soaring high above the water park? A, B, or the mystery surprise? Amazing! Rocket's jetpack launched you into a high-speed ring race. Would you rather explore Ariel's treasure cave, Sebastian's musical spot, or Flounder's cozy coral cave? After a day of water fun, which shower would you pick? A melting snow shower? That's unique! Which pirate's treasure chest do you think holds the best loot? Captain Jack Sparrow's chest might just have a compass that points to what you desire. Which magical glowing pool would you love to swim in after dark? A bioluminescent dragon's lagoon sounds like an incredible sight. Which awesome water slide would you choose to conquer first? Time to decide. Which water gun would you arm yourself with for a water fight? Bowser's water cannon sounds like serious fun. Would you rather conquer Mario's bouncy course, Luigi's spooky one, or Princess Peach's royal challenge? If you're hungry, which snack bar would you hit up first? That cookie buffet sounds amazing! Which adventurer's secret tunnel promises the most exciting discovery? A treasure-filled path sounds amazing. Which magical portal would you step through to a new water world? A sling ring portal could take you anywhere instantly. Which colorful rainbow slide looks like the most fun ride? Rainbow Dash's slide would be incredibly fast. Which surfboard would you grab to catch the biggest waves? Gantu's board must be huge. Would you rather brave Elsa's chilly waves, Moana's warm ocean, or SpongeBob's quirky pineapple pool? Which boogie board will give you the best ride on the surf simulator? Squirt's board sounds like it's ready for some serious shredding, dude. Which amazing candy floss stand would you visit for a sweet treat? Willy Wonka's flavor-changing floss sounds wild! Time to decide. Which giant bucket dump will give you the biggest splash? Which Paw Patrol-approved lifeguard tower seems the safest and coolest? Which awesome pool noodle would you float around on? A flying noodle from Super Grover? Amazing! Pick one. Which super swim cap will make you unstoppable in the water? Frozone's icy cap would be so cool! Which swim goggles would you grab for an underwater adventure? Ariel's mermaid goggles must be so shimmery. Which souvenir shop would you browse for the perfect water park memento? The Alien Gadgets and Stitches shop sounds so cool! Pick your enchanted seashell and discover its secret! Wow! Moana's shell whispered ancient ocean secrets. Which swim fins would you choose for exploring the water? Jake's shape-shifting fins must be so versatile. After a day of slides, which warm hot tub would you sink into? Olaf in a hot tub? That sounds like a challenge. Pick your mystery tunnel and see where it leads. Wow! Iron Man's tunnel blasted you into a hidden arcade! Which friendly dolphin would be your perfect water park companion? Winter the dolphin is such an inspiration. Which comfy cabana would you relax in after a long day of splashing? What's your pick for the best ice cream treat at the water park? A Scooby Snack flavored ice cream? Zoinks! Which character's snorkel would help you see the most amazing things underwater? Crush's snorkel would definitely lead to some righteous adventures, dude. Would you rather ride Maui's powerful waves, SpongeBob's goofy surf, or Lilo's chill Hawaiian surf? Which refreshing smoothie would you choose to cool down? Hey, smoothie might be a bit unexpected. What's your pick for the ultimate beach ball game? Would you dare to ride this giant squid? Which one calls to you? Ursula's squid ride would probably sing to you. Which villain's fog machine would create the most dramatic water park entrance? Maleficent's mysterious mist would be so spooky and cool. Time to decide. Which fun splash pad is calling your name?